We have a 16 Kia. Replace it's a Kia what?
Sportage.
We have a Kia Sportage. 16 Kia Sportage. Replace the clutch. See how it goes.
I'll bring one down in
The last one that you brought me. Bring it later. Otherwise, I mean, you are going to use it. So basically, you remove the inlet pipe. I'm removing now the battery and battery holder. I'm going to remove, and then I'm going to remove the ECU to get access to the gearbox bolts. Now we have access to the gearbox. Now we have to remove gear selector and remove all the plugs. It's a clip and a washer. Always remove crankshaft sensor that is located on the flywheel, and when you are removing the gearbox, there's a good probability that you damage the sensor, so try to remove it first. Now we start to remove gearbox bolts. We have two on top, two big ones, two for the starter, and we have two old the clutch master cylinder. Now we have to remove the mount. You can remove straight away these ones. Martin spanner. Now we need to remove the gearbox oil. Here. 17 here is the drainer. Now carefully try to not do a mess here. Coming slowly because it's making vacuum the other way. It's to open here because this one is the filler, and you'll see the flow coming a little bit faster. Now you can close the drain. So let's remove the two drive shafts. Always use a copper or a aluminium hammer. You have to be careful with the ABS sensor. Now we are ready to remove the drive shaft. Let's put a bolt here to hold this. Everything is ready to remove. Now eject the engine. We need to remove these four. So everything is free. Oh, there's another one here. I know. Let's see. Oh fuck, we should have moved that shit. Just a second. Yeah, you can. You go for it. Imagine you are in a drift day with me. Calm down. Remove this arm. Yeah, exactly. Now it's hitting. Go upstairs.
Yeah.
And move the engine mount, please.
Remove it.
Yeah, move it because it's in the way. I'd say.
The step ladder.
No, it's not. It's not. It is. But
1 second. I have an
remove
idea.
me this pipe. Move now, Aaron. Down there. Sorry. Down here. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. We should be perfect. Oh, whoopa. Yeah, it's out. Oh, whoopa. Thank you. Move it.
I'm after a coffee.
So the
Clutch is
gearbox
in
is
chin,
out. Huh?
Clutch is in chin, is it?
Can't see it yet.
It's a genuine clutch in there.
Yeah, it's probably the original one. It's normal. It's not. Yeah, it is.
It's hard to play with.
Hyundai one.
So what do I need socket wise?
I need a tenner. And I need the guts. Faster, fast, shop.
I'm after a coffee, guy. I'm very fasting. No. No. It's off the iron.
Thank you.
No panic. Where's that bolt go?
It's there. It's in the plate. Yeah, it's there. Usually you can get like, if you're not replacing the flywheel, it can pass like a sandpaper or so. But this one isn't too bad.
It doesn't need anything to it, does it?
So this thing has this written in flywheel side. So do things properly. This is the new disc plate, and this is the new clutch. So flywheel side. So we are going to put this way. Flywheel side, exactly. Now we need to center this, otherwise it's going to be a shitty day to put the gearbox in again. You have to center the clutch disc. You have proper tools to center the clutch disc?
No.
This is, no, I'm saying to the video, but this is our proper tool because we are poor. So we put this in and you try to center it by eye. Is the best option that you have. Pressure plate in. Aaron is changing the bearing. Oh, that's the bearing, the old one. The clutch kit comes with one, so we are going to replace this as well. I only have 10 more minutes to record because I'm going to be run out of memory. So to put a new, I'm going to remove it and show you. To put this, has two like ears, so you put them underneath the fork. We call it fork, I don't know in English. So you hold this to test it. It's good to go. New roller. You put a little bit of grease, the special one that comes with the clutch kit here to help. Now let's put the gearbox again. Put it on my chest again. Carefully, please don't kill me. Oh, whoop. Yeah, perfect.
This is hatches. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Drop it completely. Go there. Go up there. Just a second. I have to pass the fucking differential. I'm rolling out. Ah, fucking hell. Be careful with your fingers.
Okay, up.
Losing the strings.
1 second, I come down.
This way. Just a second, Aaron. Just a second. We have to roll it this way.
Oh, yeah.
Move this. I think it's in the way a little bit. And I need to push the gearbox a little bit out. Yeah, perfect. So the cell phone dropped, but you get the idea. I miss those days of putting gearbox in my chest.
You missed them?
Yeah. Fucking hell. Now you pump oil, new oil, into the gearbox. There. You pump it until the oil comes out. So, you see, start to leak, so we mean that it is full. Let's turn off this, remove the pipe. It's more than enough. It's good. It was about 2.3, I'd say. Now we close this. It's good to go. I didn't record everything underneath because it's hard to record there, and it's exactly the same shit as removing it, but in the opposite. So it's the exact same thing. Put drive shafts, put gearbox oil, close the sump, and tight the bolts. Every bolt that you untight. As simple as that. Don't forget to put the turner on our crankshaft sensor, gear selector, 3 bolts, 2 and 3. Gear selector to the place. Here. This one on the side. Washer. And the clip, never forget the clip. Just push it in. So we grab the battery support and the ECU. First, teach you guys the trick when you need to hold a bolt. A bit of glove or whatever. Glove was closer. A little bit. See, that way the bolt won't fall. And the nuts. We grab the positive. Tiny bolts. You can drop the car if you want.
Fucking vierte puta!
What's wrong? Battery in. Always put the positive first. That way you can touch metal without getting shocked. Positive is in place. Now negative. Battery holder. Inlet pipe. And the filter first. I didn't record the rest of the clutch assemble.
Clutch?
Yeah, remember?
Oh.
Because I ran out of memory. That's another thing that I have to buy a hard drive with more capacity. Basically, we assembled everything. We use 2.3 liters, I'd say, of gearbox oil. We put the drive shafts in, wheels, and we went around the block to check if everything was good. So basically, is that it? And if you have some kind of doubt, I can explain to you guys. Write in the comments. Right, Aaron?
Yep.
Do you want to say anything?
Oh God.
Well,